My name is Hernan with Granville Homes, and I am here to show you how to change the code to your overhead garage door. If your garage door is opening on its own, there is a possibility your code is the same as your neighbor's. If this is the case, let's review how to change your code. Place your stepladder underneath the garage door opener. Pull down the cover of your garage door opener. Look for the Learn button. Press and hold the button until you see the LED light up. Keep holding the button until the LED light turns off. Typically takes about 5 seconds. By doing this, you have erased all codes that were programmed on the opener. Press the remote button to validate the codes have been cleared. To program a new code, press the Learn button once. Press the button on your remote. The light bulb will flash, and this is a sign a new code on your remote has been programmed. Test the remote to validate the door opens.